Shanice Lamar. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are an OG, hello my love bugs. Hope everyone is having a beautiful and fantabulous day. So today we are talking a little bit about decor. Now, that's a whole situation because I have a whole house to furnish and to decorate and to organize and to declutter still a little bit. So the first couple of months I was here, I was just letting it marinate the fact that I was a homeowner. I had a lot of projects, I had a lot of traveling to do, so I just kind of like set on everything. But I had already decided my color story. Of course I did. And I remember sending my mom screenshots of the sofa that I wanted. And I was like, I really want to work with this brand. I had already posted about them before, about their sister brand. Long story short, that thing worked out and I was able to work with them, and I'm super excited to have this video sponsored by this amazing brand. This beautiful olive green sofa that I'm sitting on right now is from Albany Park. Albany Park is a family-owned, Black-owned home furniture brand, and they have amazing sofas, sectionals, accent chairs, ottomans, and I am in love with my sofa. It is the Park sectional sofa from their Park collection. So the Park collection is a chic collection that embodies timeless style and sophistication. Its high resiliency foam wrapped in feathers ensures long-lasting comfort and support. It arrives quickly and easy to move boxes and intentionally designed to maneuver throughout tight spaces. It's about 114 inches wide, 63 inches in width, and 52 to 24 to 18 inches in depth. So it's very deep. It came in about 5 boxes, and at first I was like, how am I supposed to get these boxes in my door? They easily fit in my door and they weren't heavy because they broke everything up in pieces. So it wasn't like one big box or 2 big boxes. It was like a couple of different boxes. So it's really easy to like pull into my house. It is the right facing sofa with the gold legs, and the color is olive green, and I also got the matching ottoman to go with it. It has a 30-day in-home trial, so you get 30 days to try it out. It's free from all of those harsh, nasty chemicals that you find in a lot of furniture nowadays. It has a lifetime warranty, which is so clutch, especially if you're a homeowner. Y'all know those home warranties, these warranties on everything. You want to get a warranty on everything. I will recommend, before you guys watch me assemble this thing, I will recommend having 2 people to assemble it, because I'm just one person. You know, I'm a little shorty, so like a lot of the pieces are pretty much almost as tall as I am. I'm sure that would have made my experience a lot easier. I was really sleepy. I was like, but no, I want my first day in the new year on my sofa. And that's what I did. So I stayed up really late to put my sofa together. It took about 1.5 hours up to 2 hours because I was also filming it. So my very first impression of like opening the boxes was the color. The color of this sofa is so beautiful, and it was exactly what I was looking for. And actually, it's one of the top Pantone colors of the year. So my color story for my entire home is this really beautiful olive green, a very beautiful terracotta, and a blush pink. More like a blush beige versus like a pure blush, because I don't want it to be like pink and green. I already know it's not on purpose, but I didn't want it to be like glaringly pink and green. And I really wanted a more neutral green that would translate into different color stories, into different color palettes, and something that was timeless that I wasn't going to get tired of. Not to say I'm necessarily tired of my emerald green sofa, which is upstairs, but compared to this color, hands down, I'm like obsessed with it. So my space is very mid-century modern. Ain't nothing else in my house mid-century modern. This sofa is definitely mid-century modern, mixed with like splashes of boho. And then my accents are gonna be blacks and brass. You're gonna see brass everything. You can see I've changed a couple of things even behind me, and I'm gonna get into that in another video. But this video is all about my sofa. It's my first piece of furniture in my house, and I'm so happy that I was able to partner with Albany Park to get this sofa. It is NAP approved, okay? So my Albany Park sofa is in. It came in 1, 2, 3, 4 different boxes. And then this is the top of the ottoman. So I'm about to put it together. And it's gonna go in this living room area for her. So let's get to it. All right, so I'm so out of breath because it was heavy. They sent me the instructions. They look pretty simple. I don't want to do this, but I really would like to sit on my sofa in the morning. So the instructions are pretty detailed. It gives you all of the tools that you're gonna need, which it comes with, what's in each box. And then it's only 7 steps. We're gonna get to it. Times like this, I wish I had a man. And not like even a romantic partner, just like my brother or my stepdad, uncles, cousins, someone. Or even my mama. She's really good at this stuff. But I'm actually good at it too. I'm just lazy right now because it's 12:40 at night. So, okay, let's get this done. Okay, so I completely forgot in step 1, I was supposed to attach the latch along with the legs on the bottom. So let's do it. How? It really made me work for it. So one of the nails got stuck. The nail got stripped and it's essentially stuck in there, but I was able to pry it off so I could at least put the pieces together. Like at least if like 1 to 3 nails can fit in there, I can make it work. I may have to have a assembly guy to come in here and look at it, but I tried. feel like I should get an A for effort. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me trying to put this thing together, child. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you guys check out Albany Park and also check out my blog because I have more details about the actual piece itself. If you've tried this brand, either Albany Park and or Edlow Finch, definitely let me know down below. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know if you love this color story. Let me know if you love this sofa. Make sure you guys please rate, comment, and like this video. Make sure you share this video as well. I will see you beautiful people later.